Best sleeping bag comparison. Baby sleeping bags are essential for ensuring safe, comfortable, and restful sleep for infants and toddlers. They prevent loose blankets from posing risks, regulate temperature effectively. List number. Love to Dream Swaddle Up. The Love to Dream Swaddle Up is a thoughtfully designed sleep sack aimed at newborns, 8 to 13 pounds. Made with 93% cotton and 7% elastane, it is lightweight, breathable, and snug-fitting to help calm the startle reflex. Its unique arms-up design supports natural sleep positions, and the two-way zipper simplifies nighttime diaper changes. Recognized by the International Hip Dysplasia Institute, it provides ample space for healthy hip movement, making it an ideal choice for parents seeking a safe and effective swaddle for their newborn. Performance-wise, the Swaddle Up excels in promoting longer sleep durations, as reported by 83% of parents. The snug fit ensures no loose fabric, reducing safety risks, while the breathable fabric prevents overheating in room temperatures between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the size range is limited to newborns, which means parents will need to transition to another product as their baby grows. The stylish design and multiple color options also make it a visually appealing addition to any nursery. List number. Eufos Baby Sleep Sack, 6 to 12 months wearable. The Eufos Baby Sleep Sack is a budget-friendly option that offers excellent value for money. Made from 100% organic cotton, certified by GOTS, this sleep sack is soft, breathable, and gentle on sensitive skin. The package includes 3 lightweight sleep sacks with a TOG rating of 0.5, making them ideal for warmer climates or indoor use. The two-way zipper design simplifies diaper changes, while the roomy leg space promotes healthy hip development and allows for free movement without compromising warmth. In daily use, the Eufos Sleep Sack stands out for its practicality. The 3-pack ensures parents always have a clean sleep sack on hand, which is particularly convenient for busy households. However, the lightweight design may not provide sufficient warmth in cooler environments, and the fabric lacks the premium feel of higher-end models. Still, for its price, the Eufos Sleep Sack delivers reliable performance and comfort, making it a great choice for families on a budget. List number 3. Hudson Baby Cotton Long Sleeve Wearable Sleeping Bag. The Hudson Baby Long Sleeve Wearable Sleeping Bag is the most affordable option in this comparison, priced at just $14.99. Made from 100% cotton, it features long sleeves for added warmth and is designed to be worn over sleepwear. The fabric is soft, gentle, and comfortable on a baby's skin, making it suitable for everyday use, with a simple design and unisex appeal. It's a practical choice for parents seeking a basic sleep sack without breaking the bank. While the Hudson Baby Sleep Sack is a budget-friendly option, its performance is somewhat limited. The long sleeves provide extra warmth, but may restrict movement for active sleepers. Additionally, the design lacks advanced features like two-way zippers or adjustable cuffs. Despite these limitations, it remains a solid choice for parents looking for an economical solution for safe sleep during cooler months. List number. Baby DD Sleep Nest Travel Quilted Baby Sleeping Bag Sack with Sleeves. The Baby DD Sleep Nest Travel is a versatile and innovative sleeping bag designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from water-resistant polyester with a TOG rating of 3.5, it provides exceptional warmth, making it ideal for colder climates or camping trips. The buckle-through design allows parents to secure their baby in a stroller without removing the sleep sack, while the removable sleeves and shoulder snaps offer flexibility for different environments. With its premium construction and thoughtful features, the Baby DD Sleep Nest Travel is perfect for families who enjoy outdoor adventures. The water-resistant material ensures durability and comfort, while the removable sleeves allow for temperature adjustments. However, its higher price point and heavier weight may not appeal to all parents. Still, for those seeking a warm and travel-friendly solution, this sleep sack delivers. Except. List number 5. Little Mo 40 Degrees Baby Sleeping Bag. The Little Mo 40 Degrees Baby Sleeping Bag is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $84.95. Designed for camping and outdoor use, it features thick, lofty insulation with a temperature rating down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The patent-pending design accommodates babies aged 6 to 18 months and includes adjustable cuffs, a fleece zipper flap, and an insulated draft tube for maximum comfort. The bottom-up zipper simplifies diaper changes, while the lightweight build ensures portability. As a camping-specific sleeping bag, the Little Mo excels in providing warmth and safety in colder environments. Its snug collar and enclosed footbox meet AAP guidelines for safe sleep, and the synthetic insulation is both effective and easy to maintain. However, the high price and niche use case may limit its appeal to everyday users. For parents who frequently camp or travel in cooler climates, the Little Mo offers unparalleled performance and durability.